Okay, welcome back to Cookin' Duos. We're back for another edition of something with chicken today. Today we're making what I called chicken balls. They are basically, bottom line is, they're stuffed chicken breasts. But because of how I do it, they look like chicken balls. So my ingredients today, I'll be using a little bit of Pam, some water for the stovetop. I like stovetop because it's just got a really good flavor. Skinless, boneless chicken breast already trimmed up and ready to be pounded. The salt and pepper is my spices. And because I can't just wing on the gravy, I'm gonna make and shake with the gravy here. So the Pam is used for the pan so nothing sticks and easy cleanup. So I will go ahead and get things started. And he's gonna start pounding the chickens.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast. And let's see. Is there anything else? That's it. So I've got this like pre-measured. We'll go ahead and get this started here. Nice and easy. And just cook these according to the directions on the boxes. I'm back. I did not mention about how I do the chickens. What I do is I skin them and cut them up and I leave them whole, and then I cut them a little bit so that he can pound them and spread them open a little bit. So it's not like, you know.
Show the difference. This is just sliced. And this one here is pounded. So what I'm going to do is pound this one, because the breast is pretty thick. You got to pound it and flatten it out.
Yeah. And
today we're doing it through this plastic bag.
Yeah. It's a freezer bag because I like the thickness. Hold up. I like the thickness on the freezer bag because it doesn't rip and tear as easily. But we're also using the flat end of this and not this because it will tear up the chicken and tear up the bag.
That.
Oh, you should use the flat part. Well, I got to teach you everything.
I think using that's much better.
Easy, 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 easy.
Go ahead.
And then this is a 2-ounce scoop, and this is a 3-ounce scoop, I believe. And they're just regular ice cream scoops. And I use these for pre-measuring. I will probably use this one, the 3-ounce, because it's a bigger.
Yes.
It's a what?
Yes. Use the bigger one. For the stuffing. Yeah. For
the stuffing, and that way they're uniform. And it just makes for a really, really good measuring tool.
We finally got all this chicken breast. As you can see here, it's very flat. We have pounded all of the breasts, which I think was 3 or 4 of them.
It's 2 breasts, but we quartered it up and fixed it.
Yeah, so anyway, that's how many we're going to be making. Now she's going to take this and put the stuffing inside this and show you how we cook that.
But not yet.
Not yet. Whenever you want.
Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make the gravy and set it aside. Okay. What I did was I got a package here of McCormick's, and I read the directions at the back, and it says 4 teaspoons to 1 cup of gravy. So what I'm going to do is
1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. 2 teaspoons of 1 cup of water.
Well, I'm gonna double the recipe. It's gonna be 2 cups of water. Okay, it's got to be cold water. Okay. So altogether, it's 8 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons to a tablespoon. So it's 3, 6. And 2 is 8. Just a math lesson today. 7. 8. Now this, because I don't have gravy I don't have ready gravy, that's what I'm using. And then what I do is I turn this on, and it's got to be whisked, and you got to whisk it the whole time, or it will not come out. This will dissolve, and the more it gets hot, the thicker it'll get. What I'm doing right now is I am making the chicken balls, and I'm setting them aside to let them cool, because the chicken, see, that's still pretty hot. So I have to let these cool for a while. I don't know exactly how many I'm going to have, but I'll go ahead and make chicken balls. And if I have too many, then I'll just go ahead and use them in and around the chicken breast. So
It's good that way too.
yeah. So he's making the gravy. He's stirring it just to make it.
I'm whisking it.
He's whisking. He's a whisker.
The whisker.
He's a whisker. We're gonna get ready to set these balls up. Okay, these are just little. This is the inside piece here. I usually try to do the smooth side out because it looks nicer.
You might want to use that little one over there for that little one.
I already got the balls made.
Just more here.
I got the balls done.
Well, there's still some in the pan here.
I'm gonna make.
So you could use that little
Will
scoop.
you hush? Okay. So we got a ball here. And that's about the only size you really need. Some of these others maybe, some of these other pieces may need to be cut down because they're pretty big pieces of meat. But I made some pretty big balls too, so we're good. Okay. Oh. All right, we are, ooh, that looks pretty. Which side is smooth? Okay. How you doing over there, husband?
Oh, we boiling really good here.
That is a nice looking chicken ball. Okay, this is the last one. It's just a tiny piece, but it don't matter. So I do have enough room for all these. Now what I do is I just break this up. Let me get this little piece over here. Now I will cook this about an hour on, say, 350. And when it's done, it's time to eat. Yeah, it'll take about an hour.
We're also going to have some green beans with this meal. That goes good with this chicken and stuffing. And one thing you cannot do is duplicate the flavor of stovetop. Sorry, people. I like making homemade too. I mean, I know how to do it, but you just can't beat this flavor. You really can't. Not when it comes to this dish.
Have some more.
Here, have some more.
Have some more. We're going to do it all. I mean, I love that dressing. So.
Oh, you know what? I need to salt and pepper the meat.
Yeah. Is the mixture right?
Yeah.
I think it went down about 1 inch. Pretty soon here, there's going to be nothing left in there. I'm just going to be stirring a pan.
Everything's finally done. What I did was about 20 minutes ago, I turned the oven up on 400 from 300 and took the lid off to let it brown up a little bit. It could probably go a little bit more, but it's good. And before I put it in there, I put just like a quarter cup of water just to get the steam moving and make sure everything kind of moves around real good. And I did the gravy. The gravy's all done. It's ready to go.
What'd you do to thicken it up? You added in more of the seasoning, that's all.
I added in more of the seasoning, yes.
And they thickened it right up. I mean, it looks great now.
I like it really thick, but he likes it like soup.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you ready to test this, husband?
Yeah.
Okay. And we got to find one here. Gonna hand me a plate. Oh, there we go.
Okay, give me that dressing over there.
Oh, every bit of dressing. And no, you're not getting what just fell in. You just fix it up.
Go ahead.
Scoot it over.
Huh?
Scoot it over. There you go. Oh. That's gonna be hot. Holy jeez.
Oh yeah. Get a little bit of gravy on this.
You want to show what it looks like?
Yep. Cut another piece out of here.
Oh yeah. I turn around and let him see that. Here, lift it up. And this is what we're looking at.
See that?
Homemade chicken balls. There you go, husband. Give it a try.
Okay. Oops. That didn't work. Very tender. That is very good. With all that gravy, chicken, especially dressing. That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
So,
are you done?
we're done. I'm gonna cut this up because I'm gonna be eating here in a minute.
He's too interested in eating. He's hungry.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and sign off here from this little town here in West by God, Virginia. Hope you enjoyed the chicken balls. Hope you enjoyed watching. So don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and comment. And one of these days, I'm going to get that right. So we're signing off. Bye.
Bye.